Bodie. It smells so good. It smells so new. This is a great room. The eating area, the kitchen. And Bodie's just checking it out. Whoa, he's sniffing it. Go, Bodie. Let's go this way. This is the dining room. We're working next door, putting the sod in over there. And the bathroom, the guest bath, hall bath. And then closet, linen closet. I know, Bodie, you don't know what to think. Come on in here. This is the room we're going to use like as an office, craft room. They got to replace that tree out front because it is dead. And then this is a nice size closet. Check it all out, Bodie. Check it all out. And look, there's a present for Bodie. Look, a Chewy box. Oops, look, a Chewy box for Bodie. Chewy for Bodie. Let's see what Chewy sent Bodie for his new house. Let's see. Oh boy, it's got to be something good. Chewy sent you a toy to your new house. Oh boy, oh boy, isn't that great? What are you gonna do with it? Gotta find a place for it? All right, let's go in the bedroom. Well, here's the laundry room. I'm going to take those down and put cabinets up there eventually. And then here is the primary bathroom. I always say bathroom, bedroom. Primary bath. Hi. Bodie, where's your toy? Get your toy. Shower. Another linen closet. And then the master closet. What? Yeah, get that toy. Get that toy. Oh boy, look at Bodie and his toy. Here's our porch. A little slab. Oh, the sprinklers are running now. Okay, Bodie wants to check out the upstairs. Come on, Bode, let's go see what's up there. He's excited. Come on, I'm coming. I'm coming. Go see what's up here, come on. This is a loft. It's a pretty good sized room. We'll have a TV right there. And then here's another bathroom. And storage room. Ooh, it's hot in here. Whoa, my glasses are steaming. Whoa, can't wait to fill this thing up. Whew, 9. And then this is the guest bedroom. closet. Good sized little closet. Oh, he's got his little doggy. I got another new toy for him too in the car. And then here's the garage. Yeah, it's just a garage. That's pretty much it. For right now, anyway. I'll post some more later. Bodie's so excited. What'd you see, buddy? I know. Bodie's a whiner. Thank you for stopping by today to see my new home and how we're settling in. I will definitely keep you posted and add more videos. And I hope you like my new channel name. If you're new to this video, my old channel name was Susan's Cozy Condo Life, and that no longer fit anymore. Now I'm just giving you a little ride through the neighborhood as we drive back to our house, so you can just get a peek of the little neighborhood. Well, it's not little, the neighborhood we're living in now. Thanks for stopping by, and come back again.